Outstanding Performance in Communication Arts, Filipino. Outstanding Performance in Mathematics, Performing Artist Awardee. Recipient of Best Friend Academic Excellence Award, Sanitinian Academic Excellence Award, Girl Scout of the Year, 57th Junior Provincial Camp Participant, Young Journalist Award, second place, Copy Editing and Headline Writing Filipino, District-Based Journalism, and School Involvement Kid Award. Thank you, Carla.
Task Champ Award, Contributor Award, Peacekeeper Award, Motive Power Award, Prudent Worker Award, Great Leader Award, go to Carla Antoinette L. Sabon.